Hi friends! I can't really talk right now as you can see, so I'm gonna have a weird accent. But today I decided to do this marble look because I'm in the process of furniture shopping and I really like marble, black, and gold, and that is kind of the whole inspiration for this. So if you would like your face to look like your living room, please join me in the next couple of minutes for this awesome makeup tutorial that is very much improvised. So without further ado, if you would like to match your makeup brush, then keep on watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment right below. If you really want to see more stuff, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Bye friends! I don't think I can open my eye properly. Is this considered opening my eye properly?